Hey all, today we're going to start and take apart this DeWalt DC720 cordless drill driver. This is an older version. In fact, they don't really make the batteries anymore. See, this is an old 18 volt DeWalt battery pack. I believe this is not lithium. I could be wrong, but this is a type 1 battery pack. And according to the charger, this is a 1 hour NiCad charger. Anyway, batteries are done. They won't be charged up anymore. And I tried to take this chuck off, but it has a T20 holding the as a screw, and it won't budge. I broke 2 T20 bits trying to get it loose, and that's it. I'm done. So we're just going to take this apart real quick, see what's inside, and that's about it. So that way if you take yours apart, you'll know where everything goes. So that's what we're going to do. Take all these screws out of here, put it on the faster mode now. Let's get all these screws out and see what's up. See what makes this thing tick. Screws in the back there. Couple on top here. Looks like one more and we'll be done. Like I said, this is just going to be like a reference video for anybody that wants to take their drill apart and replace a switch, replace a motor, and that's about it. I'm not sure if you could get a replacement battery for these, but I'll check on Amazon for you guys, and I'll leave a link down below if you can. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm not going to get any batteries for this thing. I'm just going to take it apart, see what's up. Got a little piece of sticker here. We're going to cut that. Not knife. Give me anything. Give me this poker. Give me this poker. Just cut that sticker right there in the middle. We're going. There we go. Coming right off here, but something's stuck in it. If the motor and the brush is stuck in the other side, huh? Alright, there we go. That's interesting. I've never seen nothing like that. That's the brush. Goes back in here. Okay. So I guess if you change the brush, more than likely it's going to come with this whole switch, the brushes, and the switch. Now let's keep going. Let's take off the we might as well get rid of that brush right there. Then everything else is going to lift up. Take this off, get it out of the way. That pulls right off. Now we're left with the motor and the brushes. Right, so there's a couple screws there holding the bearing in place, the motor and bearing in place. Let's take those off. Interestingly, they're the same size screws as everything else. Makes it easier when you put it back together. Alright, now we can lift that off. Then we have our motor. Not bad. And you can see the other brush here. So if you had to replace the brushes, I'm guessing, if I haven't had to replace them, I'm guessing it's the whole switch that's going to be changed. But let's get this off and take a look. Looks like you might be able to just change the brushes out on this one. Though I don't know if they sell the brushes for it. Gotta get this started. Here we go. It's out. That's the whole shebang here. You could just unsolder these desolder these brushes right off of here. And that's about it. That's the whole thing in a nutshell. Now, do we want to put it back together? Not really. But we can put it back together. So we'll start by putting the brush in that we just took out. Start it. There we go. Make sure it's down in there. The wire down in there. Okay, we're going to pause right there. Alright, let's see this bad boy back together. Now we have this motor here. We got to hook it up to this. It looks like it's going to hook like this. You see these plastic notches here? We're going to have to get in these notches here. The skinny one and a fat one. Fat one's here, skinny one's here. So we're going to get it lined up. Work the easier said than done. We'll get it in. But there's two little plastic things that have to go in. Just put that over like that. And we should almost be lining up. Almost. There we go, right there. There we go. Should be all lined up now. Okay. Now we can just set this in here. So we get it in the right way. Just bring it to top. And when you get it, you'll know it'll drop right in. Just like it dropped right out. Right in. Piece of the front. Almost. There. See? Right in. The thing is, we gotta put this on. Should be able to sneak it in. Yep. Nope. Got it all wrong. I pull this back on the point. So we took it off, put it on the wire here. That's where it goes. Now we just gotta get it dropped back in again, like before. No wiggle. One more wiggle. Should drop that. There we go. She's in. She's in. Now we gotta put this switch in here. Alright. LED. Wires back in. We gotta tuck them in. Where's my pick? The wires down like that. Put this brush back where it belongs. Tuck the wires down on that. No wires are sticking up. These little guys here, make sure they're pushed out. Like that. And we should be ready to put the lid back on. Oh, we got this. We got this. Gotta put that on. What a pain in the ass. We can sneak it in there maybe. Lift this up. There we go. There we go. Maybe that was gonna happen. Brush popped. Interesting brush setup. Although I just noticed that we could unplug it right here. We gotta replace the brushes, we can unplug it. No desoldering like I said earlier. Push the wires back down. Alright, our switch is in. That's working, and everything's working. Oh, look, an anti-theft device inside there. Alright, now we just gotta put the lid back on. And then done, of course. It's going. It's going. Give it a little push like that. Almost in. Holding us back. Nope, they don't make nothing easy. Okay, so I messed up. There's a flat spot on this motor. It's not letting it sit down, so we gotta lift it up a little. I put the flat spot up here. Right there, see, it just fell into place. My mistake right there, that's why it wasn't shut. And flat spot on top. And let's see if we can get it closed this time. One more time. See, that time it closed. Perfect. Now we didn't forget any parts. Put the screws back in. And we're done. Oh, I did forget something, didn't I? Why didn't you tell me? I forgot. Oh boy, gotta take it apart again. Take it apart again. Yep. You see what I forgot? You see it? Don't you hate when you forget something? Anyway, no big deal. We just put it back. Oh, we forgot. Bearing hold down. Piece here. Bearing hold down. Start the screw here. Could have left the screw there. It just has a slot. We'll put the screw here. Put it in the slot. Try and move out of the way so you guys can see it. That just holds the bearing down once you get the motor in the right place. Alright, almost there. Almost there. We push these wires back down so they're not in the way. Try one more time. Get this cover on, and we're done. Alright, start it. Start it. See, when you have everything lined up, it goes right back together. Now we're almost done. Now we're almost done. This video is way too long, but we'll cut it down using a new software called Wisecut. It's going to cut a lot of the silence out for us. Going to add a little music to it. Going to add subtitles if we want. If you guys need this in any language, let me know. I can rerun it in any language. Nope. Right back there. And then I gotta get the clip off the floor that fell off, the bit clip. Put down there. And that goes in the front here. Just snaps in like that. Alright. That's it, the DeWalt DC720. With the NiCad battery packs, DC9099. DC720 and DC099. Anyway, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Good luck trying to get this chuck off with the P20 inside there, and no slot for a screwdriver. It's not coming out. I don't think I can stick a socket in there. Let me see what it looks like. Don't think it has a socket on there. No. Anyway, if it does, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. DeWalt DC720. Thank you.